Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to make a website with Weebly in 2023. Just before I do so, you can click a link in the description for this video just down below that will allow you to try Weebly for absolutely free. So it's a free trial version that we've got ready for you, and if you click that link, that'll take you straight through. If you've arrived at the dashboard here, click on My Site in the top right hand corner and then Add Site. But what will most likely happen is when you log in with your Gmail or any other email, that you'll see this wizard right in front of us here. So you can choose to add a store at this stage, and we're just going to make a normal website for today's tutorial purposes. You can browse the list of templates that are available here for you and select one that closest suits your needs. So try and find one that you like the layout of and that you like the kind of general design of. Once you're happy with one, that you've got it selected, you can have a quick preview of it here and then select Start Editing in the top right hand corner. That then opens the website editor. So the first thing that it's going to ask us, with a series of dialog boxes that I'll have to close, is whether or not we want to connect to a custom URL. You can do so again further down the line. So if you've created your site and you want to connect to a URL further down, like after you've made it, you'll have to buy one with an external domain name provider and then connect at that stage there. We can do so via the settings options in the menu at the top here. So that allows you to access, most of the basic settings for your site, including adding people as editors to your website, some of the SEO and general settings for your site, and then to connect that custom URL further down the line is there. That's how you get back to that basically. So the theme, or basically the template that we chose, is selectable again by going back here to theme at the top and then change theme. So if you've kind of had second thoughts or you want to give your website a bit of a refresh, you can do that at any point, and that'll migrate the content across that you've already got on your site. Pages at the top there, as we're going in reverse order here, allows you to access the pages that are in your site already by single clicking them. You can rename them and you can access most of the basic settings associated with them as so. And then you've got the ability then to hit build, which allows you to sort of do most of the web design stuff that you'd normally associate with creating a site. So most of the stuff here that you'd normally see, if you're in need of using it, that's all you need to do is drag and drop it into the site. Now, if I hold on to it for a second and just hover around, you can see that, this blue line appears in different areas of the website, and that allows me to kind of decide where I'm going to put it. So if I want it to appear below this image here as the same format and size and shape of it, then I will click it just below, and you can see that it's now occupied the same width column as it. If I select something in this little edit window here, then this little menu appears, and the same is the case for everything. So if I select this text, a little menu appears, this button, a little menu appears, and so on and so forth. With text, if you double click or select everything in that column, you're able to then type in what you need to in replacement of it. With a button, for example, like you saw the menu there, you can decide how the button behaves, how it's positioned on the web page, as well as what it does when you click it under the link menu. And such is the case with most of the stuff here available on the left. And like I said earlier, if it's not available in the build menu, then it is through the App Store. Once you're done with your website and you're happy with the way it looks, if you click the little publish button in the top right hand corner, that'll allow you to make it available for public use. Spend some time with Weebly, get to know it, have a little browse around, change the theme using different templates, and have a look at how they're all put together before you put your website together yourself. That concludes the tutorial. So when you want to give it a go now, click that link in the description down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.